Good morning, students. So today, to continue with the lesson number 5, organizations. In the last video I have already explained the 4 topics. Now to continue with that, today we will study about the process of organizations, how these organizations takes place. First point, if you see, that it is establishment of objectives. Now the first and foremost functions of the organization is to establish the aims and objectives of the organizations. As I told earlier, that every organizations should have aims or objectives. Without objectives, a group of people cannot form the organizations. That you have already understood. Now, the first step is establishment of objectives. That is, the organization should establish an objectives or aims or goals. Next is determination of activities. Next, they have to determine the various kinds of activities that they need to be performed. That has to be determined. Third is grouping of activities. Now, all those activities will be related to some objectives, but those activities cannot be of the same types. So it has to be grouped separately according to the nature of the activities. Next is allocation of work. Then what we do, this once we identify the various types of activities, then we allocate each activities to a different group. Next is or individual of a group. Next is delegation of authority. Then we give the power of authority to certain to the peoples, those who are allotted different types of works. Here what happens, once the work is given, then along with the work, the responsibility is also handed over to the workers. So here what we do, we give the power of authority, that is power or authority, to the particular group or the people. Next, providing ideal environment. Then we also should be concerned about the environment of the working place. The environment should be very good for the workers to do their job. So that ideal environment, the proper environment has to be provided to the workers for doing their work. Next is proper arrangement of machines and tools. Then we have to do proper arrangement of machines and tools. Next, which I have not written, after that 2 points are there, coordinations and introductions. Now then we have to set up coordinations and introductions. And the last is mental revolutions. There, when the works are given, it is the job of the organizations to do the mental revolutions of the people. They need to change the mindset of the people, and through which they will be devoted to their works. So this is all about the process of organizations.